see what this little car show thing's all about here. Looks like we got South Bay Credit Union Lemonade Day. Awesome. Get a sweet ass Cutlass right here. 38SF Turbo. Damn, Grand National. This thing is nice too. Freaking sweet. You going, guys? Come on. Car, man.
Daddy might know the years. He can tell.
You like it? Which one's your favorite?
Please, what? You want to be carried?
Get this one.
Okay, you're going to have to hold your water and I can carry you.
I'll carry you. Come here.
Tell about the cars.
Get this one. This is a Chevy, like Daddy's car is a Chevy. It's a station wagon. You can fit a whole bunch of people in the back. Isn't that nice? What do you think? You like it? Look at how the big color covers the tires. Yeah? Let's see the back. Let's take the back out. Look at that. Look at that. How nice.
Very nice.
Like it? It's freaking sweet. We got another Impala. What, late 50s maybe? Yeah. It's another Impala. It's like an early 60s, late 50s. I'm not sure. But look, it's got a nice tire in the back as a decoration. Look at the little kitty. Look. Look at the little kitty on there. What do you think? Hi, kitty.
Is that Figaro?
Yeah. It's kind of like Figaro. It's somebody else. Ooh, you hear this guy started his car up. Look at this thing.
Listen to that purr, that truck.
Hello.
Hi.
You're hot.
That thing's fucking sweet.
You're like an old lady, kid. Here, hold this.
Nice, man.
You're like an old lady. Oh, I'm
So, she's like so tired today. Hello. Look at this guy. Nah, he's backing up. Alright, thanks. Dude, I like Chevys here. Awesome.
Yeah. They're in the trunk. Lily, they're in the trunk. Hopefully right here and then I'll be done.
Sweet Pontiac right here. Nice.
like the color on this one. Look how it shines.
Yeah. You like it? GTO 6.5. I like the hood on these too. Look at the hood on that.
It's pretty.
Oh, contours. That's freaking nice. Really nice. It's got the little Pontiac symbol for the brake lights on the side.
Nice.
It's pretty sick, huh? This bad boy. This Impala's freaking nice too, man. It was sick.
This is a similar year to the one that's red.
It's my kind of car
Looks
show.
exactly the same.
So the red one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same.
The same year? Yeah.
Looks like it, yeah? No, it's real close. Real close.
Yeah, it looks the same.
Got these badass tires on it. I like it. I like the interior too. The different color, you know?
Look at the orange balls.
Got the
They say
different color
76 on
steps.
them.
Nice top on it.
There's an orange ball on it.
Yep, it's 76. It's a gas station.
Gas station. This one's got some nice details on the interior. Really nice details.
Oh, Oh,
Yeah.
there's the cabin.
There's Felix.
Look at the emblem on the side here.
Look, there's
Sick.
Felix again.
Felix the cat.
Felix. Maybe Felix is like per Chevy or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, I find
This is a super sport like Daddy's car. But mine's not as nice.
That blue.
That baby blue's nice. Yeah, we're just driving by. We saw these sweet cars, man. We're like, shit, we had to come stop.
That's the whole point. You know,
It's awesome. Are you guys like our car club or?
No,
I noticed they're like all
friends.
Chevy, so it's
Yeah,
kind of
friends
just
and family.
coincidence. Oh, okay, cool. Right on. Awesome, man. Right on. Thank you, bro. Have a good one. So it's got the 409 soon. Yeah, there it is. SS. Let's get these lights. These lights are sick. Sweet. These cars are so badass. Look at the inside, all the detail on the interior. Wow. Man, that's nice. Really, really, really nice. You ready to go night-night, little baby?
I can see if I have change. I don't know how much money I
You
have.
get the kids some lemonade? I know, huh?
This is it.
This is it. This is a car show. Okay, let's go check this truck out real quick. We haven't seen this well. I got those badass white walls with the Chevy hubs. We start going back? Okay. 3100 Chevy. Thing's pretty sick. Oh, yeah. Look at that grill. Grill's awesome. With the lights right there. With the grill with the little fog lights in there. That's pretty sick.
Or so they could help the kids sell lemonade. Give it a spectacle.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. They're just all
We
like
didn't have any cash.
all friends and family, you said.
Support those little entrepreneurs.
This little Pontiac.
How you doing?
Doing good, man. Good.